Have you ever pondered the mysteries of our ancient past and wondered if we were alone, or if beings from other galaxies visited us long ago? This question has sparked countless theories, debates, and even a whole genre of television dedicated to the enigma of ancient aliens. Proponents of these theories often point to remarkable historical artifacts and structures, arguing these were not the work of human hands, but evidence of extraterrestrial visitation. Consider the Great Pyramids of Egypt, colossal structures built with such precision that even our modern technology struggles to replicate their geometric perfection. Or the Nazca lines in Peru, enormous geoglyphs etched into the desert floor, their true scale only appreciable from the air, a perspective ancient humans supposedly didn't have. These examples, and others like them, form the bedrock of belief for those who argue for the existence of ancient aliens. But as compelling as these examples might seem, there is another side to this debate, a side grounded in skepticism and scientific rigor. In the face of these fascinating theories, many remain unconvinced, demanding more concrete evidence and scientific validation. There's a certain allure to the unknown, but it's the skeptic who demands clarity amidst the haze of mystery. For skeptics of the ancient aliens theory, it's not about a lack of imagination or an unwillingness to explore the bounds of possibility. Rather, it's about the pursuit of irrefutable empirical evidence. When it comes to the theory of ancient aliens, this camp of thinkers advocate for a more grounded approach. They argue that what believers attribute to extraterrestrial influence could instead be explained by human ingenuity, natural phenomena, or even misinterpretations of historical data. Let's consider the pyramids, for instance. These grand structures have often been cited as evidence of alien intervention due to the complexity of their design and construction. But skeptics would argue that this is a disservice to the resourcefulness and architectural prowess of our ancestors. They propose that these feats of engineering were likely the result of ingenious human minds and hands, not visitors from the cosmos. Then there are the enigmatic Nazca lines in Peru, sprawling across the desert floor, some argue as signals to the stars. Yet skeptics offer another explanation. They suggest that these geoglyphs might have been part of a ritual to the gods, or even a way to track celestial bodies and seasons. Beyond these examples, skeptics also question the interpretation of ancient texts and artifacts that believers claim as proof of extraterrestrial visitations. They caution against taking these accounts at face value, stressing the importance of cultural context and historical accuracy when deciphering these narratives. Skepticism urges us to question, to demand evidence, and to rely on the scientific method. But does that mean there's no room for the unexplained? It's a delicate balance indeed. The skeptic's standpoint is not to dismiss outright, but to probe deeper, to challenge and to validate. Because at the end of the day, the quest for truth, whether it lies on Earth or beyond the stars, is a journey we all share. In a world of scientific advancements and unending mysteries, where do we draw the line between belief and skepticism? This question is at the heart of the ancient aliens debate, and indeed, all quests for knowledge. Belief and skepticism are two sides of the same coin, both essential in our understanding of the universe. It's like a cosmic dance, where belief leads and skepticism follows, creating a delicate balance that propels us forward. Belief is the spark that lights the fire of curiosity. It's the force that whispers, "What if?" in our ears, prompting us to question the status quo, to look beyond the known, and to push the boundaries of the possible. It was belief that led us to the moon, belief that propelled us to the deepest trenches of the ocean, and belief that urges us to consider the possibility of ancient extraterrestrial visitors. But while belief inspires exploration and discovery, it is skepticism that keeps our feet firmly on the ground. Skepticism is the voice of reason, the quiet insistence on evidence and logic. It's the hand that reins in our flights of fancy, ensuring that our discoveries are built on solid foundations of fact. Skepticism asks, how can we be sure? It challenges assumptions, scrutinizes evidence, and demands rigorous proof. In the case of ancient aliens, belief asks, could extraterrestrial beings have visited our ancestors, influencing their cultures and technologies? It's a tantalizing possibility, one that has inspired countless theories, books, and even TV shows. Skepticism, on the other hand, demands evidence. It scrutinizes the artifacts, the ancient texts, the archaeological sites, asking for concrete proof of extraterrestrial contact. Without such proof, skepticism maintains that the idea of ancient aliens remains just that, an idea, a hypothesis yet to be proven. In the end, the question remains, did ancient aliens visit Earth, or are we alone in the universe? The answer, for now, remains a mystery. This dance between belief and skepticism continues, each step taking us closer to the truth, whatever that may be. And in this dance we find not just the quest for knowledge, but the very essence of being human. As we delve into the depths of our history and the cosmos, we are left with more questions than answers. We've journeyed through the enigma of ancient aliens, explored skeptics' viewpoints, and balanced belief with doubt. We've examined tantalizing pieces of evidence, from ancient artifacts inscribed with what appear to be extraterrestrial symbols to intricate tales passed down through generations. Yet, we've also considered the skepticism, the rational explanations, and the scientific inquiries that challenge these extraordinary claims. The question of ancient aliens remains an unresolved mystery, a captivating dance between evidence and skepticism. It's an ongoing debate, a fascinating topic that incites curiosity, invites conjecture, and provokes thought. It's a quest that compels us to question, to explore, and to seek understanding. Whether you're a believer or a skeptic, one thing is certain. Our quest for understanding our universe and our past will continue to challenge, fascinate, and inspire us. Until then, we continue our journey, always looking beyond the stars.